You guys, this wardrobe, I don't know how they used to arrange it though. Then this is the front camera. There's a major difference. Hey guys, it's 6:30 a.m. and I'm all set for the gym. You guys, this wardrobe, I don't know how they used to arrange it though. I told my husband to help me to arrange it. He's telling me holding this thing. Holding this works. Because it's only this, somebody will not use it. I just want to arrange it and it's stressful. So right now I want to go on YouTube because I mean everything is on YouTube. And hopefully I get it right. When I get it right, I'll show you guys. Alright. This is it. That's what's about to fix. Fixing this thing, we are trying our best. There's progress. It's progress, but it's not easy. They took the light, they just brought it back again. No plan shit. I don't even know. Now when I reach see me, that I say me I just when they don't buy tomato. I tell you, I just say I go tell them say. Hey guys, what is up? I think from this year I want to start using my rare anyways back camera to be shooting my vlogs, because I don't want to be looking at myself anymore. You know, I just want to see if it's actually finer than the front camera. Right now I'm shooting this blindly. I don't know what is going on in front. I don't even know if I'm recording it correctly, but obviously if one camera not captured, the second one supposed to capture the third, because like 3 cameras. Anyways, let me check this out and see if I've done anything good and if the video quality is way different from the front. And I'm going to also show to the front for you guys to see, so we'll compare and contrast and know which one we should be using from henceforth. Then this is the front camera. There's a major difference, guys. There's a big difference. And also big difference. I cut my head in the back camera. I'm sure practice makes perfect. Let me try again with the back camera. Yeah, so I've raised up my hand like the selfie stick that it is. Hopefully this time around I'm not cutting my head. You guys won't even believe that I've been recording since thinking I switched camera. I've been talking behind this camera only to realize it was the front camera I was using. Anyways, this is back camera, and hopefully I did not cut my head in this one. I'm willing to sacrifice. It's not going to be easy, but we'll do it just for you guys. So please, when you see me make a video and post, encourage me by viewing and liking. All right? There just has to be a way that I can do this easily without looking stressed, because the other video that I just recorded now, I look so stressed from holding the phone. All of you that use this your back camera to record, how do you do it? Please teach me, because I want to learn. It's 6:30 a.m. and I'm all set for the gym. This is the first time I'm officially starting the gym in 2024. I intentionally kept it for today. Today makes it 1 week since I got back, and I just wanted to start gym today, so I'll use like last week within the week to do all the things I have to do, tidy up, and make everything available for everyone. So yeah, as I've started now, it's going to be express until the very end of 2024. So help me God, we are going to put some weight. Yay! Let's go. I have my shoes here.